I'm gonna say hi.
And we are doing our first how-to video of the summer.
Yay!
So we are going to make
a big bubble
to play inside.
with
So
a fan.
if you have an old bouncy house or even just one of those really, really big turbo fans, you need a fan. And probably an extension cord too if you don't have one with a long thing.
There's something blowing over there.
And then you need a big roll of plastic sheeting or like a plastic drop cloth or something. We already cut ours to be, it's probably about 20 feet long, and we're gonna fold it in half, so it's gonna be 2 10-feet long pieces.
Right.
What else do we need?
We duct tape, scissors to cut, and we used jugs of old milk and other stuff full of water.
It's gonna be your
weights, and
so
then
your bubble doesn't.
the big fan is gonna be
away.
the third weight. It's gonna be like a square type thing, one weight in each corner, and then
Yeah, so now we have to start taping our flat pieces of plastic together to make like a big bag. So we gotta go tape the edges now.
yeah. All right, let's go.
Okay. What? Help!
Jumped off the roof.
Help! It's gonna blow away. Are you taping? Okay, so someone's gonna go put the 2 other jugs on the other.
You go.
No, he's taping.
Okay.
We need to lay down our corners. Very gentle.
And now I'm just gonna go grab. Where'd the other one go?
Can we bring it?
Oh wait, I need to go grab it. I'll be right back. All right, so we taped the we taped the plastic. We folded it in half and then taped the edges to each other. So now we have this thing. We put the weights in each corner, except for this corner, which we have the fan. We're duct taping the fan on because, well, duct tape is magical and duct tape is most supreme. This
We're gonna
tiny
have to
fan.
I feel like we're gonna have to like close part of this up so the air stays out.
And if this doesn't work, we'll get our big fan.
All right, let's just turn it on and see what happens.
All right, we're gonna turn it on.
I did.
There we go.
Holy cow, okay.
Okay, it's I can't really. It's very powerful. Very, very powerful. Oh, and there's the plastic going. Alright, that's a good first try. We're going to turn it off and make some adjustments.
Fan, or do you want to?
This one will be fine.
Can you make it? So we're just gonna close this area and see what happens.
See what happens.
I'm gonna scooch it in so like it could be taller.
So we are going to tape this area up with a. Are we gonna have a small hole over there?
Good. Yeah. Here.
Yeah. To have an airflow. We're gonna have a small area over there, and then of course this part's all just depends on how your fan is like. So if you have a different fan that works fine, you don't need to close this off. But I
think you still should close some
of
it off.
Yeah.
You gotta keep the air in, otherwise it's all gonna blow out.
All right.
You think?
All right, and then we're just gonna.
Is it? It's not like a hot oven?
No, not too bad.
All right, let's, we
All right.
need to figure out how to keep the air from, or do you want to just try it?
I'm gonna try
Or just
this
tape
now.
down.
Okay. All right, now I'm going to. It's nice. It's like a full out. It's really nice in here. And look, there's the door. There's the door.
Ocean.
Wow. All right, so this is pretty. I think it's pretty good. And we're being. And then, of course, the wind will affect what's going on. But otherwise, it's a nice little area. And
Like,
that's pretty good.
look, there's still air in there. That's really cool.
All right.
Of course, this does pose a suffocation risk.
Oh yeah.
So,
Be
warning,
careful.
Don't have children play in this by themselves. What if we tape this up here?
Oh yeah.
This is everyone's reaction to what we made. Here comes Bud. With one shoe on.
All right, take the shoe off. Take your shoes off. All right, so we made that bubble thing. If there's little kids in it, just watch them so they don't suffocate.
Yeah, don't turn it off when they're in it either.
Yeah, but if you wanna, it's very fun. You can always make more adjustments as you go on.
You can also do it with sheets inside.
Yeah, sheets,
Or, no, like a duvet cover because it's already sewn shut. All you do is just stick a
fan.
in there. We should try that with a duvet cover.
Yeah, but so I hope you enjoyed. Try making this at home if you can.
Oh, and there's another thing you can do with it when you're done. Is when you're done with it, you could fill it with water and then tape the other edge.
Oh yeah.
And then
yeah.
it could be like a
Little water thing.
water pod. You could do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make another video showing you how you can make a water pot.
See, repurpose it.
Don't throw it away. The fishies need to live. It's plastic.
Yeah. Use as much as you can.
Yes. And stay eternally inspired.